Okay, this is number 7 on on 3.5. All right, and we've got the situation of $1,000 initial investment. The annual rate is 3.5%. We want the time to double, and we want the amount in 10 years. Okay, so my formula, the amount in the account is principal times ER to the T, because this is compounded continuously. So in this particular instance, the amount in the account is 1,000 times e to the 0.035 t. So to find the doubling time, we're going to replace A with 2,000. That's twice the initial amount. It really doesn't make any difference what the original principal was, because we're just going to divide. So we divide both sides by 1,000. So essentially we are left with the equation 2 is equal to e to the 0.035 t. We need to solve that equation for t. Since the t is in the exponent, we need to take the natural log of both sides. So natural log of 2 is equal to natural log of e to the 0.035 t. Using properties of logarithms, the right-hand side is 0.035 t. Because the net log and the exponential functions are inverse of each other, we divide both sides by 0.035, and we get as an answer using the calculator the log of 2 divided by 0.035 is 19.08. So t is equal to 19.804. That's part A. We're also asked to find the amount after 10 years. So the amount after 10 years, again, my model A is equal to 1,000 e to the 0.035 t. We're going to plug in t is equal to 10, and we get the amount is 1,000 times e to the 0.035 times 10, which is 1,000 e to the 0.35. Going to the calculator, we get $1,419.06. Actually, if we round, we get 0.7. This answer does make perfect sense, remember, because we decided it was going to take 19 years to double. So after 10 years, it's not going to quite have doubled, or anywhere close to that. So we expect the answer to be about 1,500. This is number 11 on 3.5. And we are given the initial amount is 500. And we're told that after 10 years, we have $1,505 in the account. And we need to find the annual rate and the doubling time. Okay, so my formula, again, this is continuously compounded interest. The amount is equal to PE to the RT. We're going to use the information we have to find R. So we know that $1,505 is the amount after 10 years. The initial amount was 500, and I have e to the r times 10. Our task here is to solve this equation for r. We need to divide both sides by 500. We're going to take the natural log of both sides. So this actually is 3.01 over here. We'll take the natural log of both sides. So this on the right-hand side, we just have 10r. So 10r is the natural log of 3.01. To solve for r, we're going to divide both sides by 10. And then plugging that in the calculator, we get natural log of 3.01 divided by 10. R is 0.1101, so that's 11%.